Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to remove all your items from your watch list. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and remove all the items from your watch list on eBay. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click on the eBay app, and then once you've done so, on the bottom left hand corner you want to click on My eBay. Once you've done that, you want to click on Watchlist, which is located underneath Shopping, and then here's where you're going to see a list of items that are on your watch list. So in order to remove all these items off your watch list, you want to click on the pencil icon on the upper right hand corner, and then click on Select All located in the upper left hand corner, and then click on Remove. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and remove all your items off of your watch list. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know.